Hi, I'm Keith Melton, the founder of the new Cane Masters Company. Now, we often receive inquiries about what do we think about just a straight cane, because you see them often, people enjoy them and use them, but I think it's important to understand that there's a number of differences. Maybe one is good for you, but I believe if you compare it, you'll find there's some other advantages to a J-hook cane. Now, a straight cane is literally as it says. It should be the proper height for you, and it has a single knob on top. Its primary use is to shift weight. So if I keep my elbow tucked in, I can use it to offset my weight. Biggest disadvantages, it is not nearly as stable in uneven ground. And it's especially treacherous if you're using it on snow or ice. It's not as comfortable. Straight canes came about predominantly when gentlemen 100 years ago were using them as an accoutrement of their dress. It was seen as a man about town carried a straight cane just because he thought it made him look cool. Now, at Cane Masters, we're all about looking cool, but we think you should always be carrying a good cane with you. So this is something you may consider, but I believe you'll find a J-top cane has a number of advantages. This is a standard J-top cane from Cane Masters. It's called the J-top literally because it has this round top at the bottom. This is where the magic is. This is the world's single most successful ambulatory tool. Throughout history, this design, it's ergonomically comfortable, it's pleasing, and it gives you much more support than a single straight knobby top walking cane. We like it because it gives me comfort, it gives me a much broader grip for my fist. I'm not trying to compress it and get all of my weight balanced perfectly on a little knob top. I can distribute the weight along this entire surface of the J-top. And if you pick a cane with a palm rest, you can rest the palm comfortably there. When it's pointed forward, it's much easier for me to have stability as I walk because the axis of my arm is perfectly aligned with the axis of the shaft. It makes it comfortable, it makes it easy. Now, the other thing is, if you use in personal protection, it gives you the ability to do movements in personal protection with this J-hook that you'd never imagine in another circumstance. So this is the key. If I'm going to have one cane and I'm going to bet my life on it, I want a J-top cane from Cane Masters.